So guys, me Looks 170 Dude. Welcome to Beyblade X unboxing. Here you got two BX dual packs, or a dual pack. Pro Tiger 360 Unite, Gill Shark 470 Orb. Back of the box, Gill Shark is labeled as a stamina type. This is Hasbro's, I believe a Hasbro exclusive. We have Pro Tiger also. It is a balance type. The Unite driver is pretty cool. It's basically like taper, but has a little point in it. Not bad. Alright, let's let it rip. Alright, we got the bays unboxed. Let's take a look at what the parts are. Here we have Gill Shark. Basically a pre-evolution, I think, to Shark Edge. It's got neon orange on the back. And then this turquoise in the chip. The ratchets is neon pink. Honestly pretty cool. And then the bit is this bright turquoise color. Next we got Pearl Tiger. And 360 in this white, cloudy kind of translucent color. The code. And the Unite bit, which is in this maroon color. It has a little point right in the center right here. And I'll cause it to stay in the center like ideal point. Alright, now moving on to test battles.
Alright, so moving on to the test spin, we got Pearl Tiger and then Gill Shark. Just gonna do a test spin of each and then do a couple of battles. It's a balance type. It just stays in the center. Gill Shark, they would. They'll also stay in the center.
Team Metal.
Uh-oh. Hey.
That's crazy.
This chunk is right missing right here.
That's crazy.
Alright, that concludes today's battles. Gill Shark, it's not really good as a stamina type with the stock combo. I think it's better if it's put like an attack bit on it. Because man, these corners, they actually hit pretty hard. But because it's so thin and light, the hits aren't doing that much. So it's more like it's like you're going around in the attack type bit, and it's like you're tickling the other Beyblade. Anyways, that's concludes today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.